Welcome back to the CAD/CAM design tutorial. Today we are going to learn simple basic exercise like this. Now in this exercise all dimensions are in mm. Now first of all see the dimension. This one was 30 radius means 60 dia. This one was 30 dia means 15 radius, 25 mm thickness. This circular portion 16 mm thickness. This one was also 16. This one was 90. This dimension was 75, 70 and 60 and etc. Now first of all we draw this circular portion and 25 mm extrude length. Now dimension is 30, 30 and 25. Now select the front plane and extrude. Now select the center line, infinite, and draw like this. Right click, select. Now select two circle and draw like this. Now first of all select the smart dimension. Dimension is 30 dia and bigger one circle diameter is 60 means 30 radius. Now this point, this center point, now see in the drawing, this center point to this base dimension is 90 plus 16. This distance is 90 plus 16, 106. Now this one was done and extrude up to 25 mm. This one dimension. Now select exit. Now extrude in reverse direction and this dimension is 25 mm and done. Now select this face, sketch, and this sketch are normal. Now this is our point, center point. Now first of all define center line, infinite, like this. Now see in the slide this this 16 mm dimension is, and this 54 means one side 54, second side 54 means 108 plus 12 means this rib dimension is 12. Then 54 plus 54 plus 12 means 120. Now this line dimension, first of all going to this line, select midpoint line and draw like this, and this line dimension is 120, but we apply 54 plus 54 plus 12, 120. Now this height is 60 defined in this slide and drawing, and this line dimension is 16. Now one tangent line to join this our extrude, previous extrude. Now first of all select the convert entity, select this edge and OK. Now this one was converted, select this. Now first of all going to mirror, select this entity, mirror about this axis. Now this line are mirror. Now draw as a random line and going to this relation option, add relation, select this edge and this our line, select tangent. Now select OK, going to trim and trim extra entity like this. Now right click and select. Now going to mirror, select this entity means our mirror line, select axis, this one and OK. Now our sketch is closed but one side open. Then select trim and delete unwanted lines like this. Now OK our sketch, and going to exit. Sketch is done. Going to extrude. Now extrude in reverse direction, and this dimension is 16. This one 16. Now select this option, merge result. Means our previous extrude and our continue this one second extrude is merge, means one body. Now see, this one was merge. Now this one portion is complete. Now we locate this another perpendicular base and draw and sketch and extrude. Now first of all select this bottom face and sketch this circular portion, and this distance is, this one was 75 to this edge, v minus 25, then this one was 50 plus 70, this center, and the bigger one circle diameter is 40 and smaller one circle diameter is 18. Now first of all minimize this, select this face, select extrude, and this sketch are created. Select this sketch normal. Now select line, click center line and select infinite option. Now draw like this. Now we apply we draw circle like this, and see the circle extrude in this upward direction, and this extrude length is 21, and this one our height is 60, and this one was 21. Now 40 bigger one circle dia and 18 smaller circle dia. Now this smaller circle dia was 18, and the bigger one circle dia was 40. Now we also defined this line to this center distance, and we also defined this line to this distance, but according to drawing we define this line to this center distance. Now see, this last edge to this center distance is 70 plus 75. Now apply 70 plus 75, means our distance is 145. Now exit sketch, when our sketch is fully defined. Now this one was downward side extrude, we need in upward side, means select this option upward and downward, means another side extrude, and this extrude up to 21 mm. Now done. Select this OK button. Now see this extruder complete. Now select this face, going to extrude, and select the sketch and normal. Now see this point, means this first extrude, this point to this our third extrude point are tangent. Now first of all convert entity, going to convert entity, select this edge, and OK, this one was converted. Now select the line, select this point, and draw like this. Now we defined center line infinite like this. OK. Now going to this add relation, select this circle, convert circle, and this one was line, this line, make it tangent. OK, and delete unwanted lines. OK. Now select over this line, going to mirror entity, this line are selected, select mirror about axis. OK, now this line are mirror. Now going to this trim, delete unwanted portion line. Okay, now see, this sketch are done. Now we exit the sketch and apply the dimension of the extrude in reverse direction, and we need 16 mm extrude, and see the drawing 16 mm extrude. Now done, and okay, and also select the merge result. Then see, this both body are merged. Now we make rib on now we make the fifth one extrude. Select the right plane and going to extrude. Now the sketch are normal. Now see the dimension. Height is to this face 45 and this edge to 75, means this edge to 50. Now 45 and 50. Now select the circle and draw like this. Now going to line, center line, infinite point, and draw like this. Now also we define this line to this circle distance, this point to this distance also, and we also defined this point to this line distance is 50 also. Now this point to this edge distance is 45. Now done, and the circle dia is 40. The bigger one circle dia is 40 and the smaller one circle dia is 16, and extrude up to 24 mm in both side. Now smaller circle bigger circle was 40 and smaller circle was 16. Now going to smart dimension, the smaller circle was 16 and the bigger one circle was 14. Now our sketch is fully defined. Going to exit. Now we need knot in one direction and another direction. Then going to direction option, select mid plane and apply dimension 24 mm. Now this one was both side extrude are done. Now see in the slide, both side extrude are done and complete. Now see, now we make this rib, this circle to this edge tangent, and this one was flat and 12 mm, and this distance is 65, but we also apply this tangent distance. Now this thickness is 12. Now important thing is thickness. Then going to select the right plane one more time, select sketch, and the sketch are normal. Now going to this line, select this point and this point like this, select. Now we are going to convert this edge, converted. Now this one was converted. Going to edge relation, select this, make it tangent, and okay. Now one more time select this line and make it okay, right click, and this point to this dimension is 65. Now see, this one was perfectly placed. Now one more time select line, select this point and draw line like this. Now going to one more time edge relation, select the circle, select the line, make it tangent, okay, exit. Now done. Now going to this sketch, edit, select the trim, select this one, and select also this. Now our sketch is like this. Now OK, and going to this feature and select rib option. Now we select this option and select, now exit, undo this sketch, exit. Now going to this rib, select this sketch and see the rib are in downward side and this distance is 12. Now this thickness is 12 and perfectly placed like this. Select body. If we select body, then select body are done. Now OK, then see rib are done.